This video is sponsored by PelucidFX.com. Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Now guys, let's take a look at the gold market. On the first glance, the daily chart of the gold market looks a bit boring. So we see down and down and down action without any some meaningful retracement or something of that sort. But as longer market stands with just smooth action without no bounces, no pullbacks, no patterns, it becomes as the tightened spring, and that will probably show the reaction very soon. And I think that we stand right now very close to the patterns that we have discussed previously. So our major pattern stands on the weekly time frame chart, and that is the weekly Brent body buy. That is still valid, and market right now stands at the 50% support and the weekly pivot support one. I can't exclude that market will start upward bounce from this area, but not from that level, mostly due to the action that we will see right now on the intraday charts. But from the perspective of the weekly Brent body, it could start from the 1262 also. In fact, market is approaching to our major level. That's in fact the edge, the crucial level for the bullish sentiment, bullish setup. If market will pass through it, that will tell us that the long-term trend on the gold market has shifted bearish again. So market should show upward action very soon, and I expect that this probably will happen on the current week. And here we have the just very wonderful, pleasant combination of the thrusts that could give us a lot of issues for trading. First of all, as I said yesterday, this thrust down by itself is suitable for the Jordan-Napoli directional pattern. Yesterday we said that if market will show the one more candle down, that will give us the minimum minimum requirement number of candles to the downside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bars to the downside. That is the suitable thrust for the Jordan-Napoli direction. Particularly speaking, if market will form here something that will looks like the double repo buy, for example, based on this thrust, that could be the triggering pattern for the Brent body weekly pattern that could lead market to the 1350 area. Is the bounce to the 618 resistance of the whole move down. That's the minimum target of the Brent body of the weekly time frame chart. You can see that's really very promising and thrilling combination that could appear in the market on the current week, because I think that market stands very close when it should start to feel the previous bullish momentum, because you can see this thrust down in fact shows no respect to the previous upper momentum, and I think that this should happen very soon. On the intraday charts, on the 4-hour time frame chart, we do not see yet the breaking of this tendency, the lower lows and lower highs. Okay, all that we have right now is that market almost has hit the weekly pivot support one, and is showing the bullish divergence that start to form on this most recent move to the downside, and that is happening right around the significant levels of support. Weekly pivot support 150% support, and very close to the 618 support. So I still think that we should be watching for this area. And finally, the most significant moment right now that we have on the hourly time frame chart, here we have the butterfly buy pattern that has been formed already as 1618 butterfly. And who knows, maybe particularly this pattern will put the foundation for the starting action to the upside. Maybe market will form something that will be watching like look like the reverse head and shoulders. Maybe market will form here something that will be just the 3 drive pattern or something of that sort. But I think that we stands within the maybe 1 day, maybe even few hours till the starting of the bounce on the gold market. So that's really close. Well, and I think that even that maybe this pattern will be the core, the triggering pattern for the starting bounce on the daily time frame chart. But guys, we not need to hurry here, because if you would like, you could start to trade with this butterfly. Probably this pattern will give you the just perfect entry point if markets really will start move to the upside. But it's not necessity to be rushed, because we could stick with the daily this thrust. So if market will form here the double repo or something of that sort, we will get a lot of time to take the long position with the target around 1350, because weekly chart is a bit extended pattern. It doesn't demand very fast action from us, compares, for example, for when you trade on the 4-hour time frame chart or the hourly time frame charts. So you can see a lot of issues market now is forming. The first issue is the butterfly on the hourly time frame chart. Those of you guys who trade the harmonic patterns could trade these patterns. It looks absolutely perfect. Okay. Later you will get the very big options to choose from, because this pattern could be, as I said, the triggering pattern for the greatest scenario. So you could, for instance, if you take the long position based on this pattern, you could think about holding this position until the situation will be clarified on the daily time frame chart. If you do not trade on these hourly patterns, you could wait for appearing the pattern on the daily time frame from this thrust. So market could form here either bar of either Brent body sell page, or sorry, Brent body sell rate here, or double repo buy. You can take the position based on this pattern. So later we could join with the action when the short-term patterns will be worked out. We could join for the action with the weekly Brent body buy. Okay, that should lead market to this area around 1350. That's in fact our major pattern to watch for. That's our major target. So you can see, be careful with the gold market, because gold market I think that stands very near the reversal, short-term reversal to the upside, where it starts to feel and will starts the reaction on this previous upward, long-term upward action. Very soon market will show the respect of this former impulse to the upside, and this impulse will start to impact market very soon. I think that should happen in the nearest sessions. Maybe even today we will see the starting bounce to the upside. So currently market stands right at the very significant moment, if you could call it in this manner.